Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll start our first week video with how to do hand massage. We want to get nice and comfortable. Got a pillow here and I'm just going to have myself seated on the pillow. Nice and comfortable. I've got this long pillow to have my hand rested. I'll start with my left, using my right. I'm just going to warm the area up. Using the tip of my fingers in a circular motion, I'm just going to go around my palms and fingers like so. I'm now going to squeeze using my right in a pulsating motion, squeezing all the fingers except for my thumb. For the thumb exclusively, I'm just going to go around like this. Where the pointing finger and the thumb meets at the base, I'm going to apply some pressure. And now I'm going to go across. So for each of these movements, we can do as long as half a minute to a minute each. It's totally up to you. Just to save a bit of a thumb, so you can always replace with the tip of your other three fingers. Now, put on all the fleshy areas, just going to apply firm pressure using my thumb. Lastly, I'm just going to relax my wrists in a fist position, pound all over. Just repeat the same process on the other hand. This concludes my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.